Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by organizing clips and turning on scopes so you can trust what you see. First, pick a representative frame and mute any creative LUT. This reveals the raw camera data. Once done, enable waveform for exposure, vector scope for hue, and histogram for clipping. Make sure to set your monitor to reference display or calibrated profile so adjustments map correctly to output. Now select the Color Corrector node and set primary controls to zeroed neutral values before moving into primary balance. You should tackle exposure first because everything else depends on consistent luminance. Raise or lower lift, gamma, and gain to center the waveform between 5% and 95% without crushing detail. Next, switch to the vector scope and align skin tones to the skin line by nudging hue and lowering saturation only if needed. Once balanced, set clipping thresholds for whites and blacks to prevent blown highlights or blocked shadows. Make subtle iterative tweaks, checking multiple frames to keep continuity. You finish by refining contrast and color with curves and secondary wheels to isolate problem areas. Once satisfied, render a short test clip and inspect on your target display. Make sure the histogram and vector scope remain stable. Then apply any output LUT or color space conversion required for delivery and export a final master. If you see banding, color shifts, or strange artifacts, try lowering saturation a bit. Enable mild temporal noise reduction, or disable the last node to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.